Good. I can do that. Thank you for having time to chat with me today. Would you introduce yourself, your educational background and teaching experience?
Good morning, Angelita. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is Abdul. I'm a lecturer in English at the State University of Jakarta. I have doctorate in applied linguistics and have been teaching for over 15 years. In addition to teaching, I'm also active in research on language teaching and curriculum development.
A very interesting. With your extensive experience, how do you see the development of Amazon in English in recent years?
I see quite significant development. Awareness of the importance of English as a global language is increasing, both among students and educational institutions. Many schools and universities are starting to implement more interactive and technology-based teaching methods.
What method do you use in teaching English at university?
In class, I apply a communicative approach that encourages students to actively participate. I also use technology such as online learning platforms and language application to increase student engagement. In addition, I often hold group discussion and presentation to train their speaking skills.
What do you think is the biggest challenge facing English in Indonesia?
One of the biggest challenges is ensuring access to quality resource. Many schools in rural area still lack adequate books and facility. In addition, there is also the problem of the student motivation, where some of them find it difficult and lose interest in learning the language.
How do you think the role of parents is supporting their children English learning?
The role of parents is very crucial. They can create a supportive environment at home, such as providing English books or encouraging children to watch English language films. Support and encouragement from parents can increase children's motivation to learn.
Finally, what do you hope for the future of English learning in Indonesia?
I hope that English learning can be more integrated into the national curriculum and become an important part of education at all levels. Thus, the next generation will be better prepared to face global challenges and have good communication skills.
Thank you very much, Mr. Abdul, for the interview. Hopefully, the information is useful for many people.
Thank you again, Angelita. Hopefully, we can all contribute to improving language learning in Indonesia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Putra Jelita Nur with student ID 2405010700504 from Indonesia. Here I will discuss several points from the interview conducted with Dr. Abdur regarding English language learning and the development of foreign language in Indonesia. Improving English language learning in Indonesia. Presentation of interview result. Research person named Dr. Abdul Wajid, occupation English lecturer at Jakarta State University, education doctoral degree in applied linguistics, experience over 16 years of teaching, active in research on language teaching and curriculum development. Regarding English language learning, English language learning in Indonesia has experienced significant development in recent years. As a global language, English proficiency has become increasingly important in facing the challenge of a continuously evolving world. Awareness of the importance of English has emerged not only among students but also at the institutional level. Many schools and universities have started to adopt more interactive and technology-based teaching methods to enhance students' English language skills. Nevertheless, challenges in English language learning still exist, particularly related to access to quality research and student motivation. The role of parents in supporting their children's English learning is also crucial. With support from various parties, it is hoped that English language learning in Indonesia can continue to evolve and produce a generation that is prepared to face global challenges with good communication skills. Presentation of interview results. 1. Development of English language learning in Indonesia. Increasing awareness. The awareness of the importance of English as a global language is growing among both students and educational institutions. Interactive teaching methods. Many schools and universities are beginning to implement more interactive and technology-based teaching methods. 2. Dr. Ahmad teaching methods. Communicative approach, encouraging students to participate actively. Use of technology, utilizing online learning platforms and language apps to enhance students' engagement. Group discussion and presentation. Frequently conducting group discussion and presentation to train students' speaking skills. 3. Challenges of English language learning in Indonesia. Access to research. Many schools in remote are still lack adequate book and facilities. Student motivation. Some students find it difficult and lose interest in learning in the language. 4. The role of parents in English language learning. Supportive environment. Parents can create a supportive environment at home, such as providing English books, encouraging children to watch English language films. Support and encouragement from parents can boost student motivation to learn. Personal response. After listening to the interview with Dr. Abdul Wajid, I was very impressed with his dedication and insight in the field of English language learning in Indonesia. Some points raised by Dr. Abdul Wajid are very relevant and important to consider. Development of English language learning, interactive teaching methods and technology, challenge of English language learning, the role of parents, hope for the future. Overall, the interview with Dr. Abdul Wajid provided very valuable insight into the development and challenge of English language learning in Indonesia. Hopefully, with the cooperation of all parties, we can create a better and supportive learning environment for future generations. Conclusion. The conclusion from the interview and material that has been presented show the English language learning in Indonesia has undergone significant development. Awareness of the importance of English as a global language continues to grow both among students and educational institutions. The use of more interactive and technology-based teaching methods has positively contributed to improving student English language skills. The hope for the future is that English language learning can be more integrated into the national curriculum and become an important part of education at all levels. Thus, future generations will be better prepared to face global challenges with good communication skills. Hopefully, the information presented can provide insight and inspiration for all of us in the effort to improve English language learning in Indonesia. Thank you.